What up, what up, what up? Today, y'all are gonna be packing my apartment with me. It's just my room, bathroom, and bedroom. I have 1 day to pack, and I haven't even started. I actually just got back to Greensboro last night. I have too much stuff in my closet, so I'm gonna start with my closet because I have more stuff in my closet than I probably do my room. So this is what my closet is looking like right now. I just have a whole bunch of stuff just all over the place. We're gonna tackle this closet like right now, actually. I started by just taking everything off of my racks. I didn't take the hangers off. I just put the hangers straight into the boxes because when I move into my next apartment, I'm gonna have to put everything back on the hangers. I just found this easiest. I'm on my third box. This box is almost full. Should have listened to my boyfriend. My boyfriend told me, get more boxes. That's not gonna be enough. I was like, no, like, why would I get all these boxes? Like, that's too much. I should have listened. Probably gonna have 4 boxes full of clothes, and I only bought 7 boxes. We just gonna, I don't know.